SmartLink easily solve car repair problems. Hello everyone, I'm Vina. Welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we continue showcasing applications of the SmartLink remote diagnosis platform. Imagine you have a Maserati Grecale, and after a battery disconnection or low battery voltage, multiple warning lights appears on the dashboard. Without a dedicated diagnostic tool, resolving these issues can be challenged. Let's see how the LAUNCH SmartLink remote diagnosis platform can help by requesting remote assistance from expert technicians. Connect the LAUNCH SmartLink C device to the vehicle's OBD port. It will quickly generate a link code. Next, send this code to repair shops or technicians expert who own both the SmartLink B device and an official Maserati diagnostic tool. Once the technician receives the code, they can connect the SmartLink B device to the Maserati diagnostic tool and accept the request via the SmartLink remote diagnosis platform. At this moment, it's as if an expert is standing right beside your car, using professional equipment to diagnose your vehicles remotely. They begin by selecting the BSM and EPS modules for calibration. After completing the calibration, they proceed with DTC clearing. In just a few moments, the warning lights disappear and the vehicle returns to normal. For newer vehicle models, it's crucial to avoid battery depletion or disconnection, as these situations often require specialized diagnostic tools for resolution. That's it for today's case. In the next episodes, we will bring you more vehicles diagnostic cases. If you have a specific car brand you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time!